Hey, Florida FCCLA, this is Corinne Mitchell, your state president, with our day 2 of our National Programs Week. This is our workshop on the Career Connections National Program, so I'm going to hand it off to Jasmine to go ahead and get started. Before we do that, though, we're just going to do quick introductions of each of the state officers. If we want to start with Jorge.
Hi everyone, my name is Jorge Sanchez. I'm the state president-elect from District 6, Region 3.
Hello everyone, I am Jordan Bryant, your Vice President of Public Relations from District 10, Region 5.
Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine Gelfand. I'm your Vice President of Careers and Alumni, and I'm from District 8.
Hi everybody, my name is Jameson Casio, your State Vice President of Parliamentary Law, representing Region 2.
Kylie, can you introduce yourself super quickly?
Hi guys, my name is Kylie Smith. I'm your Vice President of Management.
Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and hand it off to Jasmine to get started with the presentation.
Hi everyone, so today's national program that we already mentioned is going to be about Career Connections, one of the national programs. So basically, Career Connection helps members learn more about themselves, the workplace, and careers so that they can put themselves on the pathway to future success. So the projects that members conduct around Career Connection units will give them the confidence to face the thousands of overwhelming options that come with future career decisions. So these are the 4 Career Connection units. So the first unit is called My Skills, and in this unit, members learn about themselves and practice being productive, promotable employees as they link their personal interests, skills, and goals to careers. The next unit is entitled My Life. In My Life, members learn to manage interconnected roles in careers, families, and communities by exploring choices and skills that help balance these roles. The next Career Connection unit is called My Career. In this unit, members gain a better understanding of work and learn how to find and land a job. And the final Career Connection unit is called My Path, and in this unit, members identify steps they can take to reach career and lifestyle goals. So basically, right now I'm going to be going over what you should be doing at the beginning of your project. So before you start your project, you could preview the award application so you can see what you will be evaluated on. So to preview this application, you're going to ask your advisor to log on to the FCCLA Affiliation system and print out a blank copy of the application. You can also save it as a Word document and update it throughout your project. So during your project, you're going to want to take plenty of pictures while your chapter is participating in this program. Attaching photos is required, so keep that in mind when you're doing your project. You're also going to want to keep up with the amount of people participating, your media presence, and what kind of impact was made in your community. Understanding the impact that your project made in your community will help FCCLA better recognize your chapter for their accomplishments. It is also important to be mindful of the March 1st deadline, and you should also have all photos and attachments ready to go before the deadline so you can put your project in on time. After your project is completed, your chapter advisor is going to log on to the FCCLA Affiliation system, and right here is the link for the affiliation system. So once you're on that website, you're going to select the Program Awards tab and choose the Career Connections Award to apply for. You're going to fill out all the required fields and hit submit before the deadline, which is March 1st. If you have any questions with the submission process, you can email this email address. Here are some helpful tips to help you. So to print the preview application, save it in a Microsoft Word document to ensure your work is saved, and then copy and paste it directly into the online award system. You should also make sure that you're specific in your application because it is important to provide as much information about your project as possible in the application. This will help the evaluators gain a better understanding on your chapter's goals and initiatives. So these are the awards. So the first award you can get is special recognition at the National Leadership Conference online and in the Teen Times magazine. So for the high school award, it is $1,000. The middle school award is also $1,000, and the runner-up award is $500. So that is all I have for the Career Connections National Program. If you have any questions, feel free to email me if you have any questions or contact any of the other state officers. We'll be more than happy to help you. We know that all of you guys do great projects, and we really want to see what you guys will accomplish this year in our national program.
So we are now nearing the end of this workshop. If you are obviously not able to attend, this workshop will be uploaded to our YouTube channel as well as embedded on our state website. All the information provided on this workshop, as well as some additional resources, will be posted on our state website under the National Programs and Competitions tab. And then under National Programs, you can select each additional national program, and it will have information for that. At the bottom of that page on the website, we'll have Jasmine's email as well as the rest of the SAC. If you have any questions and want to reach out to any of us, we'd be more than happy to answer those for you. Obviously, this workshop did not include every single thing about the national program putting together a project, but if you are interested in doing that with your chapter, we'd be more than happy to give you more than that, just baseline level of knowledge for any of the national programs. So please do not hesitate to reach out to us. But otherwise, thank you for watching this national program workshop on career connections.